A little girl living in the forest. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a little girl named Lily. She had long, curly brown hair and big green eyes that sparkled like the stars in the night sky. Lily loved to explore the forest, discovering new things every day. She would climb trees, pick wildflowers, and chase after butterflies. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to go on an adventure. She packed a small bag with some snacks and her favorite book, and set off into the woods. She walked for hours, the leaves crunching beneath her feet, until she came across a clearing. In the center of the clearing was a beautiful pond, its water shimmering like diamonds in the light. Lily sat down on a rock by the pond and took a deep breath. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the sound of birds singing their happy songs. She closed her eyes and listened, feeling the warmth of the sun on her face. It was the most peaceful place she had ever been.